It sounded like you didn't really want to do that.
It's an iPhone. Everything is the same. They bring a flipping phone out. The box is everything in the box is flipping the same. And it's boring. It's boring. It's dead. It needs to excite me. They're not. What's good, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Boss. So today we have this. I know it was a long video awaiting, but you know, I've only just got my hands on these, and yeah, this is the iPhone 11. Obviously, you got the iPhone 11, and then you got the iPhone 11 Pro, and you got some either, I don't know, but you got you just got this. This is the iPhone 11, which is the multicolored, as you can see. This is the red edition. Well, it's called Product Red. Well, as you guys are aware, you guys know they've got it in different colors as well. As in, got it in blue, black, grey, red, yellow, orange, pink. Anyway, without further ado, let's unbox this and let's see what's in the box. It's gonna be like any other iPhones, but I mean, this is a new series, if I want to call it that. But yeah. Have a look around the box like we always do on this channel. On the front, we just got the nice red logo of the phone. And then on the side, we have iPhone written on the side. And then on the other side, we just have iPhone written on the side too. And then we have the Apple logo on the top, and then at the bottom. And at the top, we have the Apple logo. And then at the back, we just have a few specifications about the phone and what to expect and what's in the phone. So we got, it's a 64 gigabyte of storage in this particular phone. It goes up to 258 or something like that, I'm not too sure. But this box includes iPhone. I mean, Apple has to say what the box includes because I don't know. It says it includes the iPhone 11, the AirPods with lightning connector. It's not really an AirPod because it's just try to make it sound a bit more fancy, but it's a headphone. You don't get the AirPods in this, so that's a lie. We got a lightning USB cable, USB power adapter. It's got NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. You know, the normal thing you'd get on a smartphone like in this year basically. But yeah, it's pretty much just what it says, to be honest with you. But again, we haven't seen a device that supports 5G from Apple yet, so I think they're going to be quite late with it, maybe a few years time, because they were late with the fingerprint, the face unlock. Yeah, you know how it is. But yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's crack this box right open. So the person that gave me this box actually tried to open it for me, but I was not happy. So hey, there we go. I've got the phone in all its glory. It's a nice phone. It's almost like 3D effect when you touch the iPhone picture in the front. Anyway, let's open this up. Yeah, box quality, build quality is good. It's iPhone, Apple. They always do nice boxes, just like Samsung, but you know, yeah. On this one, this time I'll try not to hate too much on this, on the phone, on the Apple product, because you guys remember the last video I did on the S. I think it was the iPhone 8. Just click up there, you see that video. Pretty good, pretty much installed it. Yeah. Anyway, inside, as you can see, you got this little notch in the box. that what actually protects the big ass notch that Apple's put on the phone for some reason. So yeah, like an indentation in there, so it sits in there nicely. But anyway, I got the device here. Looks pretty cool. It's just exactly like the iPhone XR, but you know, just the fact is it's got a square camera base and yeah, 2 cameras. But let's put that down. We don't want to see that right now. So we just have a few things here. Quick start guide, just like normal. Again, you got some of your Apple stickers, put on your laptop or wherever you want to put it on. Then you got your SIM ejector too, which is there, which is pretty cool. And then it just tells you that this is the Product Red edition. So yeah. Hello. Just tells you a little bit about the phone and I don't know how to set some basic things up basically. And then what's this? I don't know. By the way, it's basic inside. You have this is like normal. You have the earphones, not the AirPods. Like Apple claims to lie in AirPod, but it's not. Looks like an AirPod in there, but it's got a wire in there. It's got your AirPods and your charging brick, which is there. Just your normal standard charging brick. I think it's fast charging, I'm not sure. And then you got the earphones. Like I said, it's got the wires. You can see it from the side there, it's got the wires. And then you got your lightning cable, which you use and charge up the device. So you got the lightning to the USB, which is up there, which is pretty cool. But I'm gonna put that back in the box because I'm not gonna be using it. Okay, so now we move on to the actual device. Should we peel it off? Shall we peel the phone? Cheers! Fresh phone and that. Look how black it is. Shiny. Let's power this bad boy up. Okay, got the nice Apple logo there. Looks cool. Still got a notch. Big fat notch. Not really a fan of it. I'd rather have the hole punch out, the hole cut out, or the punch hole. I don't know how you say it. But yeah, we've got this nice hello. You know, ready to set the device up. You know, all that. Click English, all that. You know, just like a normal thing you get with an iPhone. But yeah, guys, body to screen ratio on this, not really a fan of it. It's even got even worse because the XR, it was alright because the body to screen ratio, look at all the bezels on the side. They're just way too big and I really just don't like it. I mean, if they used more screen real estate on the phone, it would be a lot more better. As in widening out these, these bezels, you know, make the screen look a little bit more bigger. But yeah, anyway, on the side we have the power lock button, which is there on the side. And then at the bottom we have the speaker grill, obviously, and then the charging station. Volume rocker up and down, and also the vibrate toggle switch over there. And then we've got nothing on the top. And then at the back we've got the camera, which I believe is 12 megapixel. So you have the obviously one of the cameras for the wide angle, and then the other camera is for the normal focal range. So it doesn't actually tell you how many megapixel the cameras are, but I think the back camera is 12 megapixel and the front is 8 or 5, I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, that's been the iPhone 11. Not really my cup of tea, but you know, yeah. I mean, it's a tech channel, you have to unbox everything, you know. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video, and yeah, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, comment down below, tell me if you like the new setup, how it is with the setup. My editing setup and gaming setup on the side. And yeah, tell me what you think about the setup, the whole recording studio setup vibe kind of thing. And then yeah, don't forget to, like I said, hit the like button, share the video as well, subscribe. And yeah, turn on those post notifications on as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video.